SEC Memorandum Circular number 28 dated January 17, 2022. So ito ay nire-require ng SEC na lahat ng entities under its jurisdiction is dapat mag-submit ng kanilang email at emails and alternate emails, valid contact numbers and alternate valid contact numbers sa portal ng Securities Exchange Commission. So ito yung electronic and online part. 'Di ba? Ito yung electronic and online part ng Securities Exchange Commission. No? Sa portal to ng SEC ipapasa o isasubmit. So lahat ng entities valid nito. So pag ikaw ay SEC registered, required kang magkaroon ng email, alternate emails at contact numbers at alternate contact numbers. Importante 'yan. So yan yung iniisip ng circular part. So again, combination to ng IT at regulation, government regulation, dahil ang SEC is a government regulatory agency. So, yun lang yung ating inaalam ngayong araw, no? Magandang matutunan, magandang malaman, magandang i-vlog kasi ito yung mga as ComSci and IT graduates and as business management graduate, as a master's degree ko business management. So, ito yung dapat kong malaman. So, yun lang po.